Hi guys, welcome back to the Rusty Blades YouTube Barber. So in this cut, what I did was I did a drop fade and I started off just taking out all the bulk and putting the initial skin line in. I went round with the Gamma Ergo with the lever closed, and then I went onto the trimmer just to bald it out a little bit more and get it a little bit closer to skin. He doesn't like having the shaver on his head, so this is why I went for this option. I then went in with the open lever, again just working all the way around the head, slightly above where I put the skin line in, and then what I do then is just work around the head, moving the clicks down one by one and just staying slightly under each time until I'm down to the closed taper. So in this cut I used the new Gamma dubs. I did a video on these, so feel free to check that out. I'll leave a card in the top corner. So after I'd done the initial guideline, I then moved on to the number one guard and put the second guideline in. Again, just following the same process, put the initial line in and just each click, just stay a little bit lower until you're to the closed lever. I'd like to also give a shout out to one of my friends, Ivy Mac. He's just started a channel up as well. I'll leave a link down below so you can go check out his channel. It's Ivy Mac Cuts. Go give him a thumbs up and a subscribe, I'm sure he'd appreciate that. So please leave the comments down below if you've got any questions that you want answering. I'm always here. I'll always try and help out where I can. I really appreciate all the support. One thing that I am going to mention also as well is that I have got a baby on the way and she's due anytime soon. So if the videos do dry up, that's the reason why. But I'll keep everyone posted. Now we're going to go on to the scissor work, and we're going to put the initial guideline down the middle, the Mohawk guideline. This is going to be your stationary guideline, so this is going to be the main point. And then all we're going to do, once we've put the initial guideline in, we're just going to work from front to back as I am now, making sure that it's all at a good length. Once we've done that, we're going to do one side, then move across to the other side, and then we'll just cross check, just make sure we haven't left any loose hairs or any uneven hair on the top. So I've put the 3 guard on. I'm going to work up and off just to make sure that I don't create any harsh guidelines. Once I've done that, I'm going to go around with the thinning scissors and just blend all that in. Now I'm just going around with the thinning scissors just to take out a little bit more of that bulk and just blend it in, so it just gives it a bit of a softer finish.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Now we move on to the trimmer, and he just had a few straggly hairs on his cheek, so we just removed those just to clean him up a little bit, and then got the wireless prodigy, just cleaned his neck up. So we're just going to finish him off, put a little bit of product in his hair, TIGI wax stick. I will leave a link for that down below. So if you've enjoyed this video, hit the like, the subscribe and the notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da!